Hi guys, and welcome to our brand new course, and it's all about cybersecurity and ethical hacking. In this course we will be preparing for Certified Ethical Hacking Certificate, or CEH in other words. The course is separated by different modules, and all the module is separated with two parts. The first part will be theoretical, where I'm going to explain everything you need to know about that module. All the knowledge, all the tools, all the techniques you need to implement in order to create successful attack. Keep in mind that all the modules are very important and you do not want to skip any of them. And the second part of the module is actually the practical one. When we are going to demonstrate how the attacks work, we're going to demonstrate everything we have covered in the theoretical part. So just first I'm going to explain everything you need to know, and then we are going to actually see how that works in practice, all that I've explained before. Today's video is about introduction in cybersecurity and ethical hacking. You need to know what cybersecurity before you actually need to know what is ethical hacking, because as ethical hackers we are actually protecting and securing the system, and that is what cybersecurity is all about. So let's just start and let's explain what is cybersecurity. Cybersecurity is basically the practice or procedure of protecting systems, networks, programs, or any kind of machines. Cybersecurity is just protecting that, like for example, to prevent attacks, to prevent data loss, to prevent information reveal. This is like all about cybersecurity, it's just protecting. Cybersecurity is really important and it's really developing and growing rapidly. Because nowadays we are stepping in technology really serious, and cybersecurity is really huge. So you need to know and learn a lot of things, but keep in mind that this course is for computer beginners and it's okay if you start from zero. In the theoretical videos I'm gonna explain everything you need to know about the tools and techniques, so you're gonna learn everything you need to in order to become a successful ethical hacker. So what is cybersecurity all about? Cybersecurity, as I said, is all about protection. Protection information, protection the services, the networks, so no one without permission can actually get into them. Keep in mind that nowadays attacks and threats are growing rapidly because we are just stepping into the systems, we are developing many things, many tools, and often those tools are actually not configured or not right that secured. So that a hacker can actually exploit that, or in other words hack it, in order to gain access and steal information, break the servers and cause a lot of damage. Keep in mind that hackers are also becoming better and better, not only in our technology. So we as cybersecurity specialists, we need to keep in track and to actually be better in order to protect and prevent all kinds of attack. So we've talked about hackers, so what is actually a hacker? Hacker is actually a person with a strong computer science and networking knowledge. Hacker is a person who knows how machines are working, who knows how the code is working, who knows how everything is working, like the networks, machines, all different type of machines, the code inside them. He knows just many things, he has strong knowledge in that part, so he's really dangerous. Hackers are also amazingly creative because in order to find weak spots, they need to look at with different eyes, with a lot of creativity, because most of the weak spots are not just visible by a regular eye. You need to dig down deeper, and the hackers have strong creativity. They just seek for the things you really don't pay attention. And hackers' only purpose is to actually break into your system, with or without permission. There are three types of hackers: the white hat one, the black hat one, and the grey hat. So let's start with the white hat hacker. What's it and should you be aware of that? White hat hacker is also known as ethical hacker, and in this course we are preparing ourselves to becoming ethical hacker, so the good guys. The white hat hacker is the good one. He is often employed by a company to test its security. So basically the company employs a white hat hacker to test all the networks, all the systems, to see if they are secured, if they have any false or weak spots, and then to actually fix them. The point of white hat hacker is to actually prevent something to happen from the cyber criminal side. So he's using all the tools and techniques that a cyber criminal would use in order to get into the system, so he can actually make it and then fix it. White hat hacker have a permission to hack. When they are employed, they have a permission to hack and they do it legally. They also do not cause any harm or damage to the system or the information inside. They don't steal information, they don't review information, they don't break the systems, they just say where is the weak spot and how it's supposed to be fixed. They are actually helping to grow the security and to also improve the security. So all the systems, they make it more secure, more stable, so when the bad guy comes, they cannot find some weak spots. So the white hat hackers are actually the good ones, and we are becoming in this course a white hat or ethical hacker. So the next one is the black hat one, which is also known as cyber criminal, or in other words, the bad guys. Those types of hackers do not have permission at all to hack, but they do it, and afterwards they steal or cause damage to the system or the information inside. So they can actually break the systems, they can actually review information, download information, hack bank accounts, get money. The most of the times black hat hackers are motivated by illegal financial gains. So that means hacking bank accounts and many more stuff. So those are the bad guys, and those are the guys we are protecting our systems from. They are also, in most likely of the times, creator of the malicious software, or in other words, viruses. And then we have the grey hat hackers, which are also known as bug hunters, because they actually seek for weak spots in the systems. They of course do not have permission to hack, but when they hack, they do not cause any damage to the systems of the information inside, but warns the owner that there is a vulnerability or weak spot. So when they do that, they expect some financial gain in retrieving that they have done that. They are between the white and the black one, and they can sometimes cause damage to the system, sometimes not. That depends just on them. But in most cases, they are just warning the owners that there is a fault or vulnerability there, so that the owner can fix it, and they are actually paying them for that. And they do not have any permission at all. So those were the three types of hackers. This is the basics of cybersecurity, and in the future lectures, we're gonna dive deeper and deeper and deeper into the cybersecurity and ethical hacking. As I said before, keep in mind that this course is for completely beginners. It's okay to start from zero here. It's okay to have zero knowledge. In the theory videos, we're gonna explain all the needed theory for the following practice part. So do not worry about that. I'm gonna explain everything you need to know. The next module will be about information gathering, and this is obviously the most important module of all ethical hacking. So I really want for you to pay close attention. I hope this lecture was interesting for you and actually useful. So thank you everyone for watching, and see you in the next video when we are actually going to start talking about real ethical hacking. Stay tuned, guys.